the official Samsung Galaxy S10 5G protective standing cover review after my intro. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this. This is the official protective standing cover for the S10 5G. Now this is around £27, something like that. I will leave links in the description below as always. First impressions, and I've got to say this, I really like this case, but we'll go through it bit by bit. I've thrown away the packaging, not worth showing you that, it's rubbish. It looked different to the American packaging anyway, so no one really cares about that. So let me take this out first. Okay, let's move that out of the way. It's a hard polycarbonate shell on the outside. Now I've got the silver one to go with my Crown Silver S10 5G. It also comes in a black color, but obviously this is better suited to this color phone. So if you've got the majestic black, I'd go for that one. Now as I said, this is hard polycarbonate shell, and around the edges here it's a TPU, and it's lined with this sort of TPU-ish rubbery kind of feel inside. Fairly flexible, not hugely, so it's not going to scratch up your phone, but it is really quite nice, this case, the feel in the hand and everything. You've got a bit of Samsung Galaxy S10 5G made in Korea printed on the inside of this. It's got this sort of rib pattern there. I'm guessing that's just to give channels to the back of the S10 5G so heat can escape pretty easily, won't build up too much in there. And what I like here as well, the camera cutout, it's got this lining, this sort of rubbery ring around it, so it will keep dust and debris from getting inside the actual case. That's the advantage of using a TPU around the edges like this. So let me just put the phone into the actual case itself. It's straightforward, it's not difficult. Snaps in just like that, easy as pie. Now, switch that off for a minute. Let me start off by showing you the actual lip protection right there. So as you can see, you have got a bit of lip protection there. Not a huge amount. I am using just the plastic screen protector that came on the phone. So you want to put it flat, no issue at all. It will protect your screen. Now on the top, you've got a microphone cutout right here. On this side, you've got the power button, which is very easy to press, very responsive. It's slightly raised, so it's easy to find. On the bottom, you've got your speaker cutout, microphone, USB Type-C charging port, and headphone cutout, which are pretty much any headphone can fit in there. I've tried it with different ones, and it's a big enough cutout to handle most jack plugs. And on this side, you've got your Bixby button and your volume rockers. Again, just as easy to press as the power button on this side. Now on the back, you've got a very recessed camera cutout, as you can see there. So no issue with protection for the camera module on the back. And that ribbed pattern I showed you on the inside is also on the outside as well. You can just hear that there. So what does that do? Well, combined with the TPU sides here, it gives a lot of grip to the back of the case. It's kind of like a, even though it's a hard polycarbonate shell, it gives you, it's got a slight rubbery texture to it, so it gives you a lot of grip in hand, this phone. It's like, well, case, should I say. It's not going to slide out your hand very easily, which is something I really like. I didn't think it'd be that grippy. And of course, it's called the standing cover for a reason. You've got two kickstands here, one with Samsung branding, one without. Now you're going to think, two? What the hell do you need two for? Well, if you open up the smaller one, they're both spring-loaded as well. So you can see the sort of angle. That's a lot more of a shallow angle in that direction. And if I open this one up, which is the bigger one, and put it like that, it raises the screen a bit higher up. So it's at a lesser angle than the smaller one. The smaller one gives you a much more recessed angle. But also with the bigger kickstand, I'm not sure if it's designed to do this, but you can put it in this, move that out of the way of the light, in this orientation. So you can have it in a vertical position like that, which is nice if you're on your desk at work and you put it like this. You can actually see it, see what's going on. Very nice. I like that a lot. Both, as I said, are spring loaded. And oh, one more thing, wireless charging. Does it work with wireless charging? Let's bring in that one. No problems at all with wireless charging, completely working perfectly. So there you have it, guys. As I said, about 26, 27 pounds, not expensive by any means. I would seriously consider buying this because there isn't a lot of great cases out for the S10 5G at the moment. And this is one of the official ones which fits perfectly, absolutely perfectly. Of course, this is a light gray TPU. On the black one, it'll be a black one. Now let me just show you some shots like this, because some of you like to see the phone from the front with the case on. There you go, you can see that. It does not affect the sides as well. So if you use the edge features, it does not affect them at all. No problems there. And I'll show you from the back, because I know some of you want to see that. I know it's a strange thing, but some of you say to me, can you please show it like in those angles? I'll show it from the side. So I'm completely covered. I've got every angle for all of you guys. So that's the official standing cover for the S10 5G from Samsung directly. Now before I go, I have got some cases from Spigen for it as well. I'll be reviewing all of those in one video because it makes more sense to do it that way. This is their new tough armor, I think this one is. Oh no, slim armor. It's got different type of internals to this one, so you might want to check that out. It's more protective. It's also got a kickstand as well, but I prefer the one on this case. And I'll be reviewing this, the Tech 21, I think it's called the Evo check case for the S10 5G. I'll be reviewing that next. So hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon so you don't miss out on these reviews. And I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews about this, camera comparisons, etc., compared to other devices, night mode, battery life, etc., and a lot more cases as and when they come out. I've also got a Doctor Who case, which is around somewhere. I'm not going to show it now. So there you have it, guys. If you like the video, you know what to do. Thumbs up. Please share this on all your social media because it helps me out, helps to grow the channel, because I get a little bit of a commission from any sales. They usually it'll probably be Amazon links I put in there. And as always, don't forget the bell notification icon. Until next time, this is Texas saying take care and peace.